Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how I do my budget planner for the week. I usually do this every week because this works for me best, but it's up to you whether you'll make yours every month. As long as it works for you, then it should be great. So here is my budget planner. I use a virtual planner because I prefer it this way so that I can check it anytime on my phone. So let's start. So to start off, I'm going to begin with my income. I'd like to add in bank balance that is currently in my account and my paycheck. And then I'm going to think about all the bills that I have for this week. So this week is a very light week for me. So I only have my teeth, a utility bill, and credit card. And for my variable expenses, I have groceries and gas that I have to take care of this week. So, saving of $200. And then I would like to pick an extra payment on my credit card of $300. So, I'm gonna add all up, and these leaves me with miscellaneous or a buffer of $8. So that's it. This is how I do my budgeting planning for the week. This helps me with budgeting so much that I no longer have to overthink. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.